Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup tax documents for the IRS with cloud storage, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by choosing a cloud storage provider that suits your needs. Popular options include Google Drive, Dropbox, and Microsoft OneDrive. Create an account with your chosen provider if you do not already have one. Make sure to use a strong password to protect your account. Download the cloud storage app on your computer or mobile device. Once installed, open the app and sign in with your account credentials. Locate the folder where you want to store your tax documents. Create a new folder specifically for your tax documents. Label the folder clearly, such as Tax Documents 2023. Collect all your tax documents from various sources. This may include W-2s, 1099s, and receipts. Scan physical documents if you have any. There are numerous scanning apps available that can help with this. Ensure all documents are saved in an easily accessible format, such as PDF. Upload the scanned documents to your cloud storage folder. Simply drag and drop them into the folder or use the upload button in the app. Check that all documents have uploaded successfully. Organize your files if necessary. You may want to sort them by type or date. Make sure to enable any available two-factor authentication for added security. Regularly backup your documents throughout the year, especially after receiving new tax forms. Keep your cloud storage account updated by deleting old files you no longer need. Confirm that you can access your tax documents from different devices. This ensures you can retrieve them anytime you need to. Consider creating a backup in another cloud service for extra security. Regularly review your backup process to ensure you're not missing important documents. Finally, familiarize yourself with the sharing features in case you need to send documents to your tax professional. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.